Hello my few followers. While I'm waiting for parts for my other Tamiya FS12 engine, I took a moment to upgrade this old Tamiya OPS 15 VR. I came from one of my TGX Tamiya model. So I have replaced the heatsink and put the big one that will reduce the heat. I also put the air cooler extensor, aluminium model specific for it. Those parts are very easy to find on the net, and also change the joint. And in my stock I have some marvelous flywheel. The original one here is about 32 gram. The special lightweight Tamiya for the FS12 is about 15 gram, and this one that is quite vented. As you can see, the hole oriented to refresh the shoes is just 12 gram. So I wanted to know before I tried to start it on a launcher box, how was inside the engine. And even if it want to crank manually using the flywheel, I'm sure it wouldn't last very long in this state. As you can see, the old oil have turned to a heavy grease, so the connecting rod, which have two holes, one at the bottom and one at the end, top end, to ensure oiling and cooling, is completely blocked. So I have to disassemble it completely and clean it. Okay, so I successfully dismantled the engine. It was very hard, as I stated in my first part. The old oil turned to an ugly grease, and it was quite hard to extract the crankshaft. And about the connecting rod, I tried to find a I will light it up. It's not easy to see on the video, but it's full of this grease and there is no oil transfer. The hole at the bottom is completely blocked, and the box, the crankshaft case, is amazingly covered with this old grease. It seems that it was used a lot. The cylinder is quite marked by the year and the use. Before I dismantled it, it wanted to crank. There was compression. And actually I watched in ultrasonic bass the other part of the engine. I will do first cleaning manually, and then I will use the ultrasonic cleaner. I have also a big problem with the exhaust. I try to modify, to recreate the head of the long screw, but it's dead and it's leaking the washer or the locker that goes at the opposite of the pressure output, but that I can find solution. Okay, so after the cleaning I had some bad surprises. Bearing, the internal one is dead, you can hear. Even with oil, it's quite noisy, it's too noisy. And also, the rod, you can see this kind of discoloration. It means that there was an overheating, so it needs to be replaced. And as these parts are already more than 20 years old, it will be a veritable challenge. I don't know if I can save it. Bye bye.